Hi, welcome to online learning from Mobi Bootcamp. Before you begin, it's important to set up your learning environment for maximum efficiency. In this short video, you will get some suggestions. If you can get two computers for the class, that would be great. Maybe you can borrow from your family member for the duration of the course. In that case, keep the computers side by side and you can join the online class from the borrowed computer and use your own computer for hands on coding. The same arrangement works great for watching tutorial videos as well. Watch the video on one computer and use the other for hands on coding. If you cannot get two computers, no worries. You can use your smartphone or pad instead. In this case, join the class or watch the video on the smart device and use your computer for hands on coding. Although the first two arrangements work great with tutorial videos, for online classes, there is one major drawback. You can't share your screen or your code with the live instructor. If you have an extra monitor at home, then you can use this arrangement instead. Set up your two monitors to split the screen by following the display instructions for your operating system. And then open the browser window for the online class on the second monitor and use your main monitor for hands-on coding. Well, if none of the options shown thus far worked for you, then your last resort is to have at least one computer with two browser windows opened side by side as shown in the screen. Open the class on one window and use the other for hands-on coding. For an online live class, the last two arrangements work best as you can not only share your screen with the instructor and other students, but can also copy code to the class chat. Remember, you cannot learn coding only by listening and watching. You have to do. You have to code. And once you start coding, and when your program starts working, you will start enjoying it. Happy coding.